Welcome, guys! Do you want to experience one of Tokyo's most beautiful and best value hotels? Today we're in Chiyoda, central Tokyo, and we will be touring this wonderful property. Let's get started. Welcome back to Tokyo. Today's hotel is located in Chiyoda City, quite close to Tokyo Station, the Imperial Palace, and Akihabara. This is the lobby, minimalist and elegant. There is a beautiful collection of Japanese paper lanterns in the lobby, known as andon in Japanese, and some other nice Japanese items which can be purchased by guests. This hotel features 4 stunning Japanese gardens. This is the Japanese courtyard on the ground floor, next to the restaurant. There is a total of 15 floors. Our room is on the 6th floor. Each floor has a different bonsai opposite the lifts, which is very cool. This is the most basic room, a standard double. It feels a bit small, but better than average for Japan. I must admit they are very good at efficiently utilizing space. The furniture is minimalist and feels very Japanese. The sliding panels are a very nice touch. If you are into Japanese onsens or spas, you will be pleased to know that there is a great spa nearby in Tokyo Dome. The hotel features 2 restaurants, Yukuri, serving Japanese kaiseki meals, and Dining Lieu, serving French food. Both have great views of the Japanese courtyard. Here we have a nice Japanese paper lantern, and of course, a desk lamp. At the back are 2 power sockets and USB ports to charge your devices. Inside the drawer is a LAN cable. Wi-Fi was very speedy, so I doubt anyone used it. And here is a cupboard. There's a mini fridge and a safe at the bottom. There are complimentary water bottles in the minibar. And some tea bags and coffee here. This is a Japanese air purifier. Most hotels have it. The standard double room is equipped with a 43-inch smart TV with YouTube, so you can watch more of my videos. Nice bed. The mattress is a bit hard for me, but that's quite common in Asia. Bed sheets are soft and comfy. Behind the bed are a couple of additional USB ports and this lantern. We can dim the light behind our bed with this dimmer. Quite nice. 2 sets of comfortable pajamas. Are you a fan of Japanese pajamas? Classic hotel slippers and air freshener. This is the wardrobe. Small, but good enough for one person. Welcome to the bathroom. Nothing fancy, but feels very new. I think most rooms were refurbished not too long ago. And of course, here we have a Japanese toilet. Here are all the buttons to operate it. Have you ever used one? Let's take a look at the toiletries. Very impressed with the quality. High quality Japanese hand wash, a toothbrush, hairbrush, a razor, bath salt, more bath salt, and cotton buds. Next to the bathtub are the shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Let's now explore some of the amenities on the 3rd floor. To me, this is the highlight of the hotel. A gorgeous Japanese lounge and terrace where you can relax and enjoy your tea. In the afternoon, there is complimentary tea for all guests in this space. We will enjoy that later. Behind this beautiful bonsai is this nice tatami area, and on the right are these bookshelves with books about Japan and its culture. Let's take a look at the terrace. This is definitely the best place to relax in this hotel. A must for all those who love Japanese gardens. We can also find a small gym on the 3rd floor, just enough to do some cardio really. Coin laundry machines. You can do your laundry for less than $5, which is quite convenient. And 2 classic Japanese vending machines. Finally, a relaxation room with 3 amazing Japanese massage chairs. There's a Japanese garden projection on the wall and some relaxing music in the background. Great space, but very popular. And this is the stunning Zen terrace on the 2nd floor. There is an additional rooftop terrace on the 15th floor with some nice city views. As I said, there is complimentary tea service for all guests on the 3rd floor in the afternoon. I love to see how they make tea. It's quite hypnotic, isn't it? And here is our Japanese green tea. I paid around 20,000 yen or $150 per night. Do you guys think it's good value for money? And that's all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.